Hi guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance, saving and investing, and if you're new here, if this is the first one of my videos you're watching, welcome. If you are not new here, if you're a regular, welcome to you as well. I appreciate you also. And you probably know what's about to happen right now, don't you? I'm about to get on my metaphorical YouTube knees and beg you, plead with you to find it in your heart to like this video by clicking on the like button just underneath the video. And if you're into videos like this, videos on personal finance, saving and investing, then please click the red subscribe button as well. Now that you've pressed the right buttons, pun intended, let's learn the very basics of cryptocurrency. According to Investopedia.com, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that's secured by cryptography, which means that it's nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. A simpler definition is that cryptocurrency is a form of payment that is exchanged for goods and services. Look at it this way. Remember how when you were younger, you'd go to the arcade and you'd give the cashier a certain amount of money and they'd give you a certain number of tokens that you could use to play the arcade games? Well, that's how cryptocurrency works. You exchange real currency for cryptocurrency, which you can use to buy and sell things online in many parts of the world. Cryptocurrency is popular for a number of reasons, but mainly because cryptocurrency is a decentralized network that runs on a peer-to-peer system, meaning that typical or traditional financial institutions like central banks, normal banks, and even governments are not involved in cryptocurrency transactions between one person and another, which means that there are no financial institutions that are monitoring transactions between one person and another with cryptocurrency transactions, meaning that those transactions are faster since they're not going through governments or banks. Also meaning that those transactions are cheaper since you're not paying fees at different points to different financial institutions when you transact with cryptocurrency. And these are the reasons why cryptocurrency is so popular amongst a lot of people. And let's not forget, cryptocurrencies are also quite popular because they've been known to grow exponentially in value in recent years. According to the website coinmarketcap.com, there are over 6,700 publicly traded cryptocurrencies in the world, the most popular of which are Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, and the Mac Daddy of them all, Bitcoin. Lots of people see cryptocurrency as a hot new investment because of how much value cryptocurrencies have gained in recent years, forgetting that cryptocurrencies have also lost a lot of value in that same time. For example, in December of 2017, one Bitcoin was selling for almost $20,000. Fast forward a year later in 2018, and one Bitcoin was selling for $3,200. Presently, late 2020, one Bitcoin sells for around $13,000. And that's the nature of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. They tend to fluctuate up and down, thereby making it a bit of a volatile and unstable investment. So why do people invest in it, you ask? Well, mainly because a lot of people feel that since it fluctuates so much, they could actually buy some cryptocurrency when it's low and sell it at a future date when it's high and make a decent profit. And a lot of people also invest in cryptocurrency for the long term. They feel that cryptocurrency will become more universally accepted the world over and it will gradually phase out the conventional, traditional money that we have today. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and one that fluctuates more than most other investments. Not to mention that there's also the risk of cryptocurrency exchanges getting hacked. That is also a thing. So in summary, cryptocurrency is an investment alternative or option for people who have a high tolerance or a high appetite for risk. So there you have it, guys, the basics of cryptocurrency, at least from my point of view anyway. Now, if you feel like cryptocurrency may not be your cup of tea at the end of the day, fear not. There are other investments and assets that you can put your money in. I've actually done a few videos on some other assets and investments. You can check them out. They're showing on the screen right now. Plus, you can check the card in the corner of the screen or the description box down below for links to those videos. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and like the video by clicking on the like button, especially if you didn't do so earlier. So click on the like button and feel free to share this video with anyone who you feel may benefit from it as well. You can share the video by clicking on the share feature, or you can just copy the link of the video and send it to them via email, via WhatsApp, via Twitter or Facebook. There are a number of ways that you can share videos on YouTube. Thanks once again for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed and if you're into videos like this on personal finance, saving and investing. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Take care.